What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today we are going to talk about Voiceflow. Voiceflow is a collaborative platform for teams to create and launch chat and voice assistants together efficiently. It offers features like real-time collaboration, prototype sharing, and templates for various use cases, enabling teams to design, test, and deploy AI agents at scale. So let's start with its standout features. Voiceflow stands out for its user-friendly interface that allows teams to prototype voice and chat experiences efficiently, enabling the creation of agents of varying scales and complexities with ease. This feature is particularly beneficial for organizations looking to develop AI agents that can adapt to different user needs and scenarios. A key advantage of Voiceflow is its capability to train chatbots using custom datasets. By leveraging this feature, users can enhance the accuracy of their chatbots by providing tailored responses based on specific data inputs. The integration of LLM-powered responses further ensures that chatbots deliver contextually relevant answers, improving user interactions and overall user satisfaction. Voiceflow's real-time collaboration feature revolutionizes teamwork by providing an interactive workspace where team members can work together seamlessly. This collaborative environment consolidates all assistant data, including conversation flows, API calls, intents, LLMs, and response content. By centralizing these elements, Voiceflow streamlines the design process, minimizes communication gaps, and enhances overall team productivity. Another significant benefit of Voiceflow is its ability to expedite the testing and launch process. Users can swiftly create high-fidelity prototypes that accurately represent the final product. These prototypes can be easily shared with stakeholders for moderated or unmoderated user testing through a simple URL sharing feature. This streamlined testing phase ensures that chatbots are thoroughly evaluated before deployment, leading to more successful launches and improved user experience. Now, let's talk about some of the drawbacks. Despite its advanced features, some users have reported a steep learning curve when initially navigating Voiceflow's platform. The complexity of certain tools and functionalities may require users to invest time in understanding the platform thoroughly before fully leveraging its capabilities. While Voiceflow offers a range of customization options, some users have expressed limitations in tailoring certain aspects of their chatbots to meet specific requirements effectively. Enhancing customization features could empower users to create more personalized and targeted AI agents that align closely with their unique use cases and objectives. Integrating external tools or services with Voiceflow may present challenges for users seeking to leverage additional functionalities within the platform. Addressing integration complexities and offering seamless integration solution could enhance the platform's versatility and appeal to users looking to incorporate diverse tools into their chatbot development process. In conclusion, Voiceflow emerges as a versatile platform that empowers teams to design, develop, and launch chat and voice assistant efficiently. Its strengths lie in scalable chatbot building, custom data training capabilities, real-time collaboration features, and rapid testing and deployment functionalities. Overall, Voiceflow offers a comprehensive solution for teams seeking to create innovative and user-centric AI agents, driving enhanced productivity and user engagement in the realm of conversational AI development. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.